दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बम्बे मेरी जान। हा हा हो ही हा। ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान। कहीं पे
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Maharashtra. We have arrived at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai.
You have felt the rhythm and celebration of Gujarat. Fashion there, dance and sang. Now we are taking you somewhere grounded, where strength meets grace. That sounds interesting. Welcome to Maharashtra. The energy here feels steady and confident. Maharashtra has always valued balance, strength without noise. Welcome to Maharashtra. Our climate is warm for the most of the year, so our clothing must be practical and comfortable. I noticed the clothes allow easy movement. Yes, sir. We design our clothing to support daily life. Traditionally, people here traveled, worked, and moved a lot, so fashion had to keep up. Our traditional clothing allows freedom. It supports balance and strength. Movement is important to us. I see confidence in how you stand. That confidence comes from function. Fashion here feels purposeful. Maharashtra values dignity. Our clothes reflect these values. Nothing is excessive. Now observe the ornament on the face. The nose pin? Yes, this is called a nut. It is worn during weddings and festivals. The nut is a symbol of identity. It draws attention to the face. It completes the traditional look. The nut represents pride. It represents belonging. Every bride wears it with honor. It is not just jewelry. It carries emotion. I can feel that. Is this tradition still alive today? Yes, sir. We wear it to remember who we are. It connects past and present. Design here respects truths. That makes it timeless. I want the nut in my collection. Because of its beauty? Because of its meaning. It shows confidence without noise. We are proud it travels with us. From celebrations to quiet strength. Maharashtra teaches balance and dignity.
जांभूळ पिकल्या झाडाखाली ढोल कुणाचा वाजजी जांभूळ पिकल्या झाडाखाली ढोल कुणाचा वाजजी
ढोल वाजजी वाजजी ढोल वाजजी ढोल कुणाचा वाजजी
होएंधळ येड पाय कुणाचं
वाजजी.
आहा, ढोल वाजजी वाजजी ढोल वाजवी ढोल कोणाचा वाजजी ओ जांभूळ पिकल्या झाडाखाली ढोल कोणाचा वाजजी. मोडून गेल्या जुनाट वाटा हा बोवाटा झाला जी. मोडून गेल्या जुनाट वाटा हा बोवाटा झाला जी. चोची मंदी चोच टाकूनी दाण उष्ट झालं जी. झालं जी.
आहा उष्ट झालं जी, उष्ट उष्ट झालं जी, दाण उष्ट झालं जी.
ओ जांभूळ पिकल्या झाडाखाली ढोल कुणाचा वाजजी.
जांभूळ पिकल्या